If you have a threaded part that just won't go in, I'll show you how to fix that. That's because somebody cross-threaded this thing. If you look in there, you can see some of the damaged thread. This is where a tap and die set come in real handy. This is an 8 miller. This is an 8 millimeter, 1.25. I can tell this when I go over and I check the threads and they just fit perfect. And of course I check the diameter to make sure that it's correct. We'll grab the corresponding die. To clean up those stripped threads, I'm gonna run this tap, gently put it in and just turn it. If it's the wrong tap, it won't go in at all, or it'll give a lot of resistance. You can see how this is going through. It's cutting a bit, but it's going very nice and smooth. I'm gonna run it down as far as I can. Initially, this may seem like an extra step, but this saves so much time. Just to try to not have to do this, I put about half hour in to trying to get this thing together. I'll spin everything out. You can see a little bit of metal on that tab. Look how nice those threads look. Chances are on this side is gonna be damaged. This thread actually doesn't look so bad. Check the other wheel, and it does look a little dinged up. I'll clean up the threads on this tab. Just kind of try to spin it. It's a little bit tight. Grab a wrench. I like never throw away these little flat ones. Oh, it's the last wrench, of course, but this one fits. Now I've got a little leverage so I can just cut the threads. I'll run the threads all the way in. It doesn't take but just a little bit of damage to make these threads difficult to work with. It does feel like an extra step until it actually goes in and works. I've got the bolt completely into the die now. You can see those threads are perfect. It'll probably go in by hand. Very nice. I can just put my thumb on the back here and it's just going right in. Snug it up with this thin wrench because I doubt a normal wrench would even get in there. I always ask, why do you save those cheap little wrenches? Because of stuff like this. Almost have the wheels on, so we'll clean everything up on this one. Not having these bunged up threads saves a lot of time. May seem like an extra step, but it's worth it when it goes in. It's just so nice when you feel those threads grab. That's how I fix a stripped or cross-threaded bolt.